Hello students, I'm your online teacher Anamika Jha. Today we will solve exercise 6.1 chapter 6 integers of class 6 mathematics NCERT book. Let's start exercise 6.1. Question number 1. Write opposites of the following. First part is increase in weight. Opposite of increase is decrease. So the answer is decrease in weight. 30 kilometer north. Next part. Opposite direction of north is south. So the answer is 30 kilometer south. Third part is 326 BC, before Christ. Opposite of BC is AD, Anno Domini, in the year of the Lord. So 326 BC opposite is 326 AD. Next part is loss of rupees 700. Opposite of loss is profit. So the answer is profit of rupees 700. Next part is 100 meter above sea level. Opposite of above is below. So the answer is 100 meter below sea level. Question number 2. Represent the following numbers as integers with appropriate sign. First part is an aeroplane is flying at a height 2000 meter above the ground. Let us consider the ground to be our point 0. Aeroplane is flying at a height 2000 meter above the ground. So its height is plus 2000 meter. Second part is a submarine is moving at a depth 800 meter below the sea level. Again, if we consider the sea level as our point 0, the submarine is moving at a depth 800 meter below the sea level. So, the answer is minus 800 meter. Next part is a deposit of rupees 200. Deposit means money is increasing. So, the answer is plus rupees 200. Next part is withdrawal of rupees 700. Withdrawal means money is decreasing. So the answer is minus rupees 700. Question number 3. Represent the following numbers on a number line. We have given certain numbers. We have to represent them on a number line. For that, first we will make a number line. Mark a point 0 on the number line. Then mark point 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on the right side of 0 and minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on the left side of 0 at unit distance. Now the first part is plus 5. So we will take 5 jumps towards the right to reach at plus 5. Next part is minus 10. So here we have to take 10 jumps from 0 towards the left. Then we will reach at minus 10. Next part is plus 8. Here we will take 8 jumps from 0 towards right. And we will reach at plus 8. Next part is minus 1. Here we will take 1 jump towards the left side from 0 and we will reach at minus 1. Next part, minus 6. Again we will take 6 jumps from 0 towards the left side and we will reach at minus 6. Question number 4. Adjacent figure is a vertical number line representing integers. Observe it and locate the following points. First part is, if point B is plus 8, then which point is minus 8? D is a positive integer. Its value is plus 8. Now, to find the point whose value is minus 8, we have to take 8 jumps below 0. We will reach at point F. So the answer is point F represents minus 8. Next part is point G a negative integer or a positive integer? So G lies below 0. So it is a negative integer. Next part is write integers for point B and E. Point B lies above 0 and we reach at point B by taking 4 jumps above 0. So its value is plus 4. Now point E lies below 0 and we reach at E by taking 10 jumps below 0. So its value is minus 10. So the answer is point B represents plus 4 and E represents minus 10. Next part is which point marked on number line has the least value? So the point which is below 0 and which has the least value is point E. E has the least value. Next part is arrange all the points in decreasing order of value. Points in decreasing order are as under D, C, B, A, O, H, G, F and E. Question number 5. Following is the list of temperatures of 5 places in India on a particular day of the year. Here we have given 5 places and its temperature on a particular day. We have to answer the following parts. The first part is write the temperature of these places in the form of integers in the blank column. So here the temperatures of different places is given. The place whose temperature is above 0 degrees Celsius indicates the positive temperature and the place whose temperature is below 0 degrees Celsius indicates negative temperature. Just to remember. Next part is following is the number line representing the temperature in degrees Celsius. Plot the name of the city against its temperature. Plotting the name of the city against its temperature on the number line representing the temperature in degrees Celsius, we have all the city whose temperature is a positive integer are shown on the right side of 0 and all the city whose temperature is a negative integer are shown on the left side of 0. Next part is which is the coolest place? Answer is the coolest place is Siachen, whose temperature is minus 10 degrees Celsius. Next part, write the names of the places where temperatures are above 10 degrees Celsius. Answer is the places having temperatures above 10 degrees Celsius are Ahmedabad and Delhi. Question number 6. In each of the following pairs, which number is to the right of the other on the number line? First part is 2 and 9. Always remember that a number with the greater value lies on the right on the number line. So here 9 is greater than 2. 9 is on the right of 2 on the number line. Next part is minus 3, minus 8. Which one is greater? Minus 3 is greater than minus 8. So, minus 3 is on the right of minus 8 on the number line. Next part is 0 and minus 1. Which one is greater? 0 is greater. 0 is on the right of minus 1 on the number line. Next part is minus 11 and 10. 10 is a greater number. 10 is on the right of minus 11 on the number line. Next part is minus 6 and 6. So a positive number is always a greater number. 6 is on the right of minus 6 on the number line. Next part is 1 and minus 100. Which one is greater? 1 is greater. 1 is on the right of minus 100 on the number line. Question number 7. Write all the integers between the given pairs. Write them in the increasing order. First part is 0 and minus 7. Answer is, all the integers between 0 and minus 7 in the increasing order are minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. Next part is minus 4 and 4. Answer is, all the integers between minus 4 and 4 in the increasing order are minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. Solution for the next two parts is given. Question number 8. Write 4 negative integers greater than minus 20. So to find an integer greater than a given integer, you have to add 1 every time. Here the answer is 4 negative integers greater than minus 20 are minus 20 plus 1, minus 20 plus 2, minus 20 plus 3 and minus 20 plus 4. That is minus 19, minus 18, minus 17 and minus 16. Next part is write 4 negative integers less than minus 10. Here you have to subtract 1 every time. 4 negative integers less than minus 10 are minus 10 minus 1, minus 10 minus 2, minus 10 minus 3 and minus 10 minus 4. That is minus 11, minus 12, minus 13 and minus 14. Question number 9. For the following statements, write true or false. If the statement is false, correct the statement. First statement is minus 8 is to the right of minus 10 on a number line. Minus 8 is greater than minus 10. So, minus 8 lies on the right of minus 10 on a number line. So, this statement is true. Next part, minus 100 is to the right of minus 50 on a number line. This statement is false. The correct statement is minus 100 is to the left of minus 50 on a number line. Next part is smallest negative integer is minus 1. This statement is false. The correct statement is there is no last or smallest negative number. Minus 26 is larger than minus 25. Is it true or false? This statement is again false. The correct statement is minus 26 is smaller than minus 25. Question number 10. Draw a number line and answer the following. Which number will we reach if we move 4 numbers to the right of minus 2? Answer is, we want to obtain integer on moving 4 numbers to the right of minus 2. So, we start from minus 2 and proceed 4 units to the right of minus 2 to obtain 2 as shown in the figure. Next part, which number will we reach if we move 5 numbers to the left of 1? Answer is, we want to obtain integer on moving 5 numbers to the left of 1. So we start from 1 and proceed 5 units to the left of 1 to obtain minus 4 as shown in the figure. Next part is, if we are at -8 on the number line, in which direction should we move to reach -13? Answer is, since -13 is less than -8, so to reach -13 from -8 on the number line, we should move to the left of -8. Next part is, if we are at -6 on the number line, in which direction should we move to reach -1? Answer is, since -1 is greater than -6. So, to reach -1 from -6 on the number line, we should move to the right of -6. Here we have completed our exercise 6.1. If you have any doubt, please mention it in my comment box. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.